Hey guys, are you looking Xiaomi drone? In this video I will show you top 5 best Xiaomi drone to buy right now. I made this list based on my personal opinion and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price and more. To find out more information about these products you can check out the links down in the description. Also make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with a video. Number 5. Brand name, Xiaomi, model number, E88 Pro, the foldable drone equipped with 4K HD dual camera which captures high-quality video and clear aerial photos. You can watch a live video in your smartphone for beautiful scenery by Wi-Fi real-time transmission. E88 Pro Drone is a versatile drone. It can perform stunts like 360 degrees flip, circle fly and high-speed rotation. Combined with trajectory flight which allows you to draw flying course on your phone, E88 Pro Drone brings you spectacular flying experiences. It have 3-level flight speed to switch that can make more fun with the flying. The quadcopter fuselage is made of high-strength and resistant engineering plastics, lightweight and durable resistance. With headless mode, no need to adjust the position of aircraft before flying. With one key to return function makes it easily to find the way home. Number 4. Brand name, Xiaomi, model number, K6 MAX, with foldable arms, compact and easy to carry. With altitude hold mode function to provide stable flight. Orbital movement allows the plane to fly in circles, allowing for cooler camera angles. Flight mode simply draws a route on the screen with the helicopter as a given path. Powered with a 3.7-volt 1800 mAh battery, it has about 15 minutes of flight time. It can be purchased with 1 or 2 flight battery kits for a longer fun time. 8K electronically adjustable 3 cameras, remote control angle, free to switch angle of view. 360 degrees automatic detection of surrounding infrared obstacle avoidance, worry-free flight. Multiple speed rates and headless light mode for beginners. The 4-rotor body is made of strong high-strength engineering plastics which is lightweight and durable. Number 3. Brand name, Xiaomi, model number, S1S. It has 3 flight speed switch levels to make the flight more interesting. Quad-rotor fuselage is made of strong, high-strength engineering plastic, lightweight and durable. The front lens is placed with wide-angle 6K high-definition Wi-Fi. The bottom high-definition lens with optical flow can switch the camera angle. The servo pan tilt is designed to increase stability, and the EIS electronic anti-shake is added to make the photo line clearer. The size and weight of the product are light and the body weight is 123 grams, which can circumvent the National Aviation Control. 2.4 GHz anti-interference technology, 6-axis gyroscope, more stable flight, more convenient control. The height fixing function has the height keeping mode function, and the optical flow positioning and fixed point function has stable flight. Brushless motor provides more powerful power and longer service life. Number 2. Brand name, Xiaomi, model number, 109L. The foldable body is more convenient to fit into large and small bags without occupying limited luggage space during travel. The altitude fixing function has the altitude fixing mode function, and the optical flow positioning and fixed point function is stable in flight. Ultra-long battery life, 3.7-volt 1800 mAh lithium-ion battery life is about 35 minutes. 5 GHz anti-interference technology, 6-axis gyroscope, more stable flight, more convenient control. Paired with 4 wing protection frames, it provides more comprehensive protection and makes your flight more worry-free. The front lens is placed with wide-angle 8K high-definition Wi-Fi, and the optical flow high-definition lens at the bottom can switch the camera angle, sensing potential hazards within 10 meters ahead to avoid aircraft impact damage. Number 1. Brand name, Xiaomi, model number, S5S. Mini selfie drone equipped with 90 degrees adjustable 4K or 6K HD camera which can broaden your views and record every unforgettable moment in your life. The bottom high-definition lens with optical flow can switch the camera angle. The servo pan tilt is designed to increase stability, and the EIS electronic anti-shake is added to make the photo line clearer. The altitude fixing function has the altitude holding mode function, and the optical flow positioning and fixed point function has stable flight. The height fixing function has the height keeping mode function, and the optical flow positioning and fixed point function has stable flight. The S5S is a multifunctional UAV that can perform 360 degrees turning, high-speed rotation and other special effects. You can draw the route on the app screen and the hovering UAV will fly along the route accordingly. A single battery can last for more than 18 minutes.